students, welcome to the first semester of the 2021-2022 session. My name is Dr. Blessing Ntamu and I am the coordinator of the course EDU 241, the Psychology of Human Growth and Development. This course is domiciled in the Department of Educational Foundations, Educational Psychology Unit, and is to be offered by all second-year students of the different faculties of education. Now, the objective of this course is to get you acquainted with the different stages of development of your learners from infancy through adulthood, all of the characteristics and then the different types of development, emotional development, personality development, cognitive development, physical development. All of that will be dealt with under this course. Now, the purpose of this is in order to help you select the appropriate content, learning experiences, instructional aids, and also to select the appropriate instructional techniques for your learners at their different stages of development. Now, before I get to give you a rundown of some of the topics you'll be encountering under this course, I'd like to let you know that this course you will be graded 100%. 30% will be for continuous assessment, which will involve attendance, tests, assignments, and all of those. And the examination will be over 70%. For you to pass in this course, you're expected to score a minimum of 40%, which is an E, the lowest grade of pass. Now you need to score a 45% to get a D, 50% to get a C, 60% and above gives you a B, and from 70% and above, you get an A. Now, for you to be eligible to write examinations in this course, you are expected to attend at least 75% of your classes. A total of 75% of all of your classes, be they online or physical classes, without which you would not be eligible to take examinations in this course. So take your classes seriously, be in all of your classes, do all of your assignments, and prepare for the test. Now, for all of the topics you're going to encounter, beyond what you'll be given in the classroom, that's just a background or a guide for you. Please do extensive research online, read books, and ensure that you're well equipped with the necessary knowledge that you would need, to function very well as a teacher when you become one. Now let's look at the topics you'll be encountering in this course. The first unit will cover general introduction. You'll be looking at definition of psychology, the different branches of psychology, educational psychology, and then why you study educational psychology. In Unit 2, we'll go right on to studying the biological foundations of behavior. Under this topic, we'll be looking at growth and development, the principles of growth and development. We'll be looking at cell, genes, and chromosome combination, heredity. We'll look at the determination of sexes, how the boy and girl, the sex, male and female, is determined. And then we'll look at chromosomal abnormalities, the types of chromosomal abnormalities, and then the twins and multiple births. How are twins conceived? We'll look at some similarities between parents and their offsprings, and then we'll take a look at the nature-nurture controversy. I'm sure you'll find that interesting. Right after that, we'll be looking at the different stages of development, phases of growth and development, beginning with the stages of prenatal development. Then we'll look at the biological and environmental factors that influence prenatal development. We'll look at genetic transfer, hormonal secretions, maternal diseases and disorders, and so on and so forth. And then we'll look at postnatal development and the different stages of postnatal development. We're also going to look at language development, how language develops from infancy through childhood, and some of the factors, environmental factors and other factors, biological and others, that affect language development. We'll also take a look at emotional development in children. We'll look at personality development in children, and then we'll look at some theories of human development. We'll look at the Piaget's stages of cognitive development. We'll look at Sigmund Freud's psychoanalytical theory of personality. We'll look at Erikson's stages of psychosocial development, and we'll look at the educational implications of all of these theories. That's about it. Like I said, a lot of research, a lot of hard work will be required for you to excel in this course. We have a couple of educational and instructional materials we want you to take a look at, and this you will see at the end of this video, together with information on how you can get these textbooks. Ensure that you get sufficient materials. There are also a lot of materials that you can encounter online, and so nothing should limit you from excelling in this course. I'd also like to inform you that this course is one of the courses that have been selected by the university for blended learning. This means that you'll be having a mix of online and in-person learning. We're having about 60% in-person learning and about 40% online learning. So expect to be engaged on online learning platforms such as Google Classroom, Zoom, and other platforms. And also you'll be having some of your instructors using YouTube. We have a couple of YouTube videos that we'll be sending to you, to review for this course. I want to enjoin you that when you get these videos, please ensure you watch them, you take down notes, you ask questions on the platform, and do all that it takes that you need to do. Engage with these videos as though you're engaging with your learning materials, your textbooks. Take them seriously. And so please, should you have any enquiries, any questions, and any problems, do not hesitate to contact me either via email on drontamuba@gmail.com, or you can also find your way to my office in the university. I want to wish you all the best as I remind you again to take your studies seriously, to ensure that you do your best so that you learn, because you're actually here to learn, not just to earn grades. It's not about the grades, it's about the knowledge you're here to acquire. So ensure that you acquire the required knowledge and that you do all to excel in your examinations. Thank you, and see you in the classroom.